Malamig sa bahay. Ayun si ate. Pareho sila naka-dressing gown. Kahapon kasi malamig. Ayan, gawa kaya na. Ba?
1, 2, 4, belly.
Okay.
No, I'm just a belly.
I'm just cutting for Ate's lunchbox, baby.
This mine.
Give me your plate.
I want the animal and the baby.
May gawa lang. Kali na kahiga pa doon. This is still asleep.
Baby, daddy.
Tulog pa yung ate niya na naman. Wake up, ate. Ano ba yan, ate? 11:30 na. Ang ganda naman, oh. So pretty, ate. Ay. Tapos na mag-almusal si Riker tuloy. Ano ba tong buhok ko? May problema lang dito kasi yung sa likod. Ayun. Ayan ko ng aking kutsinta. Nag-init ako ng 2 kutsinta, guys. Kape tayo.
Mommy, I eat away.
Is she okay? Wala naman kami ganap ni Ryan today. 2 lang basket yung tupiin ko ulit. Ayan. Handa ba tayo para bukas malinis ang ating laundry for the cleaners. Ay, Diyos ko, tinan mo. Ayaw pa magbihis. Si Riker nakaready na yan.
What did you see?
Si ate, ayan. Pero nag-toothbrush naman na siya.
See the hard place.
Ay, naku, parang ang tanga dito umiiyak. Ako na talaga yung umiiyak dito. Pinapanood ko kasi yung tribute ni Small sa kanyang daddy. Kasi napanood ko yung clip sa TikTok. Hindi ko alam, may binlog pala siya. About compilation nun sa papa niya. So, yeah. I felt the pain. It's hard losing someone, especially kapag parents mo pa. Yung papa ko naman, namatay siya ng 2020. And then yung mom ko was 2018. So, I was 6 months pregnant with Harley before. Namatay yung mom ko. Kumuha na lang ako ng damit ni Harley. Oh my God. Like, alam mo yan, pag may nakikita ka, bumabalik lang lahat, nagka-flashback lang lahat, nangyari. I'm glad din na sa akin, nandun din ako, kasi mahirap nga kapag nasa ibang bansa ka. And, yeah. Harley! Here you go, my love. Bakit ayaw magbihis? Ayan, nadarap na namin si ate, guys. And habang naglilinis ako ng playroom ng kids. Wala, tinapos ko kasi yung yung vlog. 1 hour kasi yung vlog niya. Really small ba sa tatay niya. Magki-period na rin siguro ako. But yan, sakit. Masakit kasi talaga mawala ng magulang. Eh. I'm gonna see. But yeah, it's really rough. Riker's just like looking at me. Why am I crying? Mommy's alright. Can I have a hug? Pardon?
Mommy, another mommy. Oh no, mommy, I dug up will defeat it.
Oh, can we have a hug? Oh, I love you. Okay, i-continue lang natin itong paglilinis dito kasi darating nga yung cleaner bukas. Itidy up ko lang kasi sobrang kalat, guys. Kasi ang daming, mga ganitong sticker, oh. Na kalat.
I got it, Mommy.
May stock lang to sa vacuum. So.
Mommy, I got it.
You got it. Thank you. Normally, hindi naman naka kailangan mag-tidy up kasi sila naman yung nagta-tidy up kapag may kalat ba. Okay, tidy up lang natin today kasi nga sobrang daming papel.
Mommy.
Yan. Fruits na si Riker. Okay. Meron siyang fruit salad dyan. And then, yogurt. Malap. Alas 10 na, guys. So, magtutupi ako after this. I'll go upstairs.
Look, the white and the green.
Yeah. Where's Ate?
Daddy, go.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy, work.
And Mommy and Rika?
Home.
I love you. Ayan. 3:30 na, guys. And dito kami sa playground. Malapit sa bahay. Si Rika, ayun. You go on that stairs. That one. Oh, this one. There's stairs at the back. Huh? Where are you, Rika?
I got in the tip.
Hmm?
I got in the tip that's too hot.
Ano daw?
Too hot in the tip, Mommy.
Where are you, Riker?
I too hot in the tip.
Okay, come out.
Oh, no, it's hot.
Oh no. What did Harley do? What are you doing, Riker?
Hey, up on the toy.
Are you flying?
No,
What are you doing?
I'm swimming in a big sky.
Oopsie.
Oopsie, I eat biscuits.
It's biscuit. Thank you, Ate.
Yay! Win, win, win.
Riker,
win,
Mommy
win.
have a good news.
Oh.
We gotta tell the guys later. Guys, hindi kami makapasok sa bahay. Sinong may sala? We can't even get to our own house. Ay, naku si Daddy. Nalock niya to. Nalock niya. Wala siyang dalang susi. Hello, katong laki ito. Siya yung may kasalanan yan.
There. Yeah, there's nothing we can do. I have to ring a locksmith.
Do you have a car key?
No, I thought Mum had a spare key.
But how are you gonna get to Mom's?
She'd have to drive here.
I have a trick before that you use the card. Do we have a card here?
Have you done that before?
Yeah.
Here?
No.
Nah, that's Philippines. It doesn't work in Australia.
Oh yeah? Where's your tools in here? I need the hard key, a hard card. Kami na talaga ang nalock sa bahay namin. We're locked, Baba. Dito kasi kami lumabas sa roller door. Hindi ko alam, kala ko key mismo yung kinuha niya. Key lang pala ng roller door yung kinuha niya.
Mommy, where's Daddy?
Key lang pala ng roller door ang
Mommy, where's
dinala ni Daddy. Ay, naku, Daddy.
Daddy?
Hmm? What'd you do?
You left the back door unlocked.
I left the back door unlocked.
Lucky.
So how did you get on the side door?
I opened the gate.
How is the gate not locked?
I don't know.
Laughing ko.
That's lucky.
So you not left us outside, but you left the back door open and the side gate. What? Ayan, oh. Iniwan niya rin yan. Nakabukas pala. Siya na talaga. Ay, naku, Benjamin. Buti na lang, nakapasok kami. Kaloka. Anong oras na? It's... Ay, my phone's flat.
What a comedy there. What happened? An email came through?
Yeah, I have a good news, guys.
You better ring Maravik if this is the news I'm believing.
I have a good news.
How do
I
you
am an
know?
Australian citizen. I am officially approved for my citizenship.
You're still going to stay married to me. You're not going to lose me.
I can choose my husband now.
I've done my job.
I can choose another husband now. Kidding. But yeah, we got approved na ate. Mommy's approved. Hey? Why is your nose like that? Pero yan, hindi pa ako official kasi I have to do the pledge pa.
Mommy!
Pero they'll email me na lang when it's available na. But yeah. Alam ni Ben yung approval ng kids. So sana ma-approve na yung mga pamangkin ko. Dinner! Kain tayo guys! Lam tayo ngayon. Tingnan nyo naman yung suot ng anak ko. Nagpanjama na pero pinatong niya pa rin yung dress niya. Yan na talaga. Hindi pala yung papasok bukas kasi sa, may runny nose siya. You want more biscuit? You go get it then. It's 11:13 na. Oh, nanonood kami ng showtime. Kasi ayaw niya matulog. Nag-meltdown siya. Yan na talaga nag-meltdown. Ayun lang naman eh. Kinakader ko lang siya kapag ganyan siya. Kasi gusto niyang katabi matulog is yung ama niya. Hindi ko na i-English yun. Dahil maintindihan niya. Diba? Natulog siya. Kakain, ano niya? Wala niya. Nakatulog na. Mag-alas 12 na. Good morning. Holly.
That's okay.
Say good morning.
Good
Morning, guys.
morning, guys.
Hindi yan pumasok. She didn't went to school today because, ayan, he's a bit sick. So, si Ben na yan nagatid kay Riker. Ano pa lang, mag-alas 10. Hinatid si Riker na maaga. Siya na talaga maaga sa school. Right, Holly? Poor ate. Hindi ko pinapasok kasi may swimming din siya today. So, baka lalo siyang lumala ang kanyang sipunin, ubo. Ayan. Dinala ko si ate dito sa playground habang naglilinis sila ate, no? Our cleaners are in the house. And of course, Riker's at school. Ano na guys? 1:30 na. So, baka sunduin namin si Riker on the way home. Holly? Okay naman na siya kasi nag-ano na siya, Panadol na siya. This one's a nice playground din. May isa lang na equipment na sira. Ayan. Pero may pang toddler o may pang baby. And may basketball court. May climbing din and andun lang yung basketball court. And parang ano ba yan? Football? Football ground, I think. Bahay na si Riker, guys. Naka-shower na rin yan. Naka-merienda na siya. Si ate nakatulog. Yung nag-vlog ko ba kanina yun. Nandun, tulog pa rin siya. She's in the playroom. Wow! Mamaya magluluto na akong dinner. Good morning! Nala yung mga mukha, oh. Di naman yung suot na naman ni ate.
One toast.
Okay, I'll make some toast, okay? Hindi ulit papasok si Harley.
Come.
He doesn't have school today. I mean, she's not gonna go to school, but Riker's gonna go to school. Okay? Because today is
Sunday.
Wednesday. Oh, Riker. Oh, you eat your toast na. Ayun na.
Mommy.
Yes. What? Ate's eating now. You eat na. Ate likes peanut butter. You want to try a little bit? Huh?
Not peanut butter.
Okay. You guys, nadarap ko na pala si Riker. And hindi ako masyado nag-vlog kahapon kasi we were just chilling, me and Harley. And then I took her to the playground. Yeah, look at her. She's still not well. Oh, poor ate. But yeah, kahapon nanonood lang kami ng movie after namin mag-playground. Today, probably the same. Kasi kanina tinatanong ko siya kung gusto niya mag-playground or house. Wala naman siya sumasagot. So, dito na kami sa bahay. Makapag-edit ako. Alas 10 pa lang guys, si ate. Nakatulog siya. Ayan, lunch na kami ni ate. Adobo yung aming ulam. Kain tayo guys. Manonood kami ng Showtime. Di ba lumabo? Ayan, bahay na yung asawa ko guys. And nagdala siya ng dinner. Hindi niya ako pinaluto tonight. My dinner is burrito bowl, salad bowl. Raika! Ano, beef yung in-order ko. Yum! Yung mga bata kumain na rin. Quesadilla yung kinain nila. Harley's outside. Oh, Raika, can you shut the door, please? Thank you. Kain tayo, guys. Nauubos ko lang nito yung ano, yung small lang. Regular kasi ano, ay large. Malaswat ng large. May rice din naman to kasi para lang siyang burrito pero nasa bowl siya. Pag nakarap kasi hindi kumakain yun na yan. Laki-laki ng bite. Morning guys!
Mommy!
Morning! Ate's not gonna go school again today. She's better now though, pero just in case.
Lada,
Mabinat
what
siya.
did you sick?
Pardon?
What did you sick?
You're sick as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, kahapon niya pa sinasabi. He's sick too. Ay sus! Marunong na siya magpanggap. You know how to pretend na, no?
I go home now. I never won.
What's that? Kapit tayo, guys. And croissant. Do you want croissant or cereal?
Zero.
Oh. Ayan. Binigay ko na lang yung activity book niya.
Mommy.
Yes? Ang aga niya mag-basketball, oh. Good shot, Bobby. Lamig-lamig dito, guys, sa labas. Masarap siguro sa may
Which one, Daddy? Which one?
Yeah. Ay, si ate nasa loob ng Libertad. And gumagawa ng activity book niya.
Where's my boat?
Si Ben, binigyan niya na akong pambili ng, ng DJI. Kaso sabi ko, i-claim muna namin sa insurance yung isang nawala. So, yeah. At least yung camera na lang naman yung bibilin. Kasi last time, binili ko kasi yung kit. So, hindi ko naman kailangan na yung kit. Yeah, guys. Nandito pala ako sa mall. Si Ben nagbantay sa kids. Kasi lalabas ako mamaya. Ay, nasa labas na pala ako. Namin, pupunta kami ng French mamaya kasama ko sila Ella. So, dito muna ako sa mall before ko sila i-meet. Kain muna tayo ng sushi. I love nigiris. Mag-alas 4 na yata, guys. Nag-start na yung French dito, festival dito sa Adelaide. So, yeah. So, kita-kita kami mamaya. Million naman tayo. Ay, mamaya pa tayo kakain ng dinner. Ay, sorry. Cheers, guys! Ayan, dito na kami sa city. Ayan, kain na tayo. Sarap. Share lang kami. Kebab, ano ba yan? Lamb and chicken lang yan, no? Kain. Ayan. Munta na kami sa aming show. Guys, manonood pala kami ng show tonight. Anong papanorin natin?
Bubble show.
Bubble show. Ayan. Ito yung papanorin natin, guys. Nood na tayo ng adult bubble show.
Wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. You're cold? Mommy's just gonna wash dishes. Ready na yung kids. So, yung routine ko ngayon, iniba ko na muna. Ang ginawa ko pag-gising nila, niready ko na sila kaagad. And then, I do the lunch boxes and breakfast nila. So, I think mas mabilis yun kesa sa breakfast muna, lunch box, and then get ready. Yeah. You want water? You dance with ate. Because mommy's just gonna look at the dishes. It's so much dishes mommy has to do, okay? Okay? Si ate, ayun, happy na siya. Papasok na siya today because she's better. And now si Riker, he's telling he's sick today. Are you sick?
Mommy.
Ayan, na-drop na namin si ate, guys. Now we're up to Riker Sports. Maaga pa nga eh. Alas 9 pa lang. Marami-rami pa kaming. We still have lots of time, hey? I love your new shoes. Okay. Dito na kami sa sports ni Riker, guys. Sabi niya kasi kaninang umaga, he's cold. So, nakalimutan ko isuot yung uniform niya. Ah, mommy. That's okay. Just say you didn't want to wear your uniform today, no? Ayan, guys. Si Riker nakatulog. And ate's home. Ayan. May natanggap siyang loot bag from her classmate. From last week kasi nga hindi nga siya pumasok. Ay, this week. Hindi siya pumasok. So, na-miss niya yung birthday. But, she still got the loot bag. Ayan na tayo ng pineapple. Of course, may asin. Pero matamis na yan actually. Gusto ko lang ng may asin. Ako na talaga. Guys, mag-iron pala tayo ng mag-steam tayo ng pants ni Ben. Kasi aalis siya tonight. Ayan siyang pupuntahan na gala. Gala. Ayan. So, hindi niya sinabi sa akin na itong black pants pa lang ang gusto niyang suotin. So, ngayon tayo na ba? Ngayon tayo nag-iron. Nag-rush tayo ngayon, no? Ano kasi ako nagpa-plancha. Ano lang ako, handheld na steamer. Mas madali, diba? Nabili ko lang to sa Kmart tong ano ko. Iron. Ay, steamer. Iron ako ng iron. Ang cute niya, no? Meron ako malaki nito. Kaso, ano yun? Bigat-bigat. Gusto ko yung parang portable lang. So, you can have either the gray jacket.
Has to be black.
Has to be black?
Has to be black. Black has to all be black.
Is it?
Yeah. Black.
Who said
black.
that?
That's black tie.
Hindi pala to sa work. Sa ano lang niya to. Invite lang siya ng friend niya. Invite lang siya ng kanyang kaibigan ulit. Yung nag-invite sa kanya noon. Big ko. Lawyer kasi yun. Kaya ang dami niyang contact sa mga paganap. Mga pa-event. Ayan. So, maya aalis na yan siya. Sunduin na lang siya ng friend niya. Mga bata kakain na. Nilutoan ko lang sila ng chicken nuggets. Ako magnanasi goreng. Ay, nasi goreng. Ano ba to? Mi goreng na pansikan dito. Then you can have yours with your dinner. I'm okay. Makain na si Riker. Ang gwapo ni Daddy, oh, Men in Black. Rika, where's Daddy going? Daddy's wearing all black. Ang gwapo niya, oh. Mukha talaga siyang agent. Sana, oh. Sana, magagala. Sana, oh. Ito yung jacket niya. All black pala talaga sila. Sabi ko mag-gray jacket siya kasi it's all black. So are you Men in Black?
It's still fit. Was this the wedding one?
I know.
Nearly 10 years ago. Look, I can't even... Look. I'm holding my tummy in. Oh my god. Does it look too small?
No.
I'm just gonna... I'm only gonna wear it. Briefly. Pretty tight. You must have put a lot of muscle on.
Yeah, it is tight now, hey?
I know.
Does it look small na to you?
It does. Maybe I'm taller. Is it
Does
okay or not?
it look okay, guys? It looks good. Wala eh, all black eh. Ang tagal na niyan. How long have we been married now?
10 years next year. Where are we going for our 10 years?
Oh no.
We'll go to the Philippines, won't we? Celebrate in the Philippines.
Here, I'll hang it. Suot niya pa to nung kasal namin, guys. So, lumiit na talaga siya. Lumaki daw siya. Tumangkad daw siya. Yan. Dito lang sila sa playroom, guys. Naglalaro ng Lego. Nilabas ko ulit yung Legos nila.
No, Mommy.
What happened?
What I wonder why got it too big.
It's too big.
Yes.
Oh, you made that one, eh? You made it too big.
Hey, who knows?
Who knows? What is it anyway? What?
A rectangle.
A rectangle. What's this? What are you building?
I don't understand. I put other strap.
Huh? Si ate,
I
oh.
put other
Okay,
strap
ate,
to chocolate.